students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you a simple program in Python which will count the even number and odd numbers from a given series. First, I am taking the input of the total number required in the series, like limit you can say. With the help of input method, I am taking input of that particular number. Enter number of elements you want in your series. Next, we will create an empty list. So this is how you can create an empty list. List is a built-in data type in Python. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. The list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add and remove items in a list after it has been created. Now here I have created my list and all the other input elements when I will append this to my list. That means after creation of my list, I will be able to add the numbers, remove the numbers from the list. That's why it is also called as the changeable. Now, I will start my for loop. For I is my iterator, and range. Range is a function in Python which returns specific numbers series. Here, up to limit, I will run my for loop. Now, x is equals to int. Whatever input you will take with the help of input function, it is considered as text. That's why you have to convert it into integer with the help of int function. Now here enter any number, means the numbers which I will add in my list, I will take it from this particular statement. Next I have to append list.append. Append is a function which will add all the numbers at the end of the list. Here I will add. Next, after list.append, I will print my list. With the help of print function, we are able to print our list. Here I am using this comma to separate the various data type. First one is text and second one is list data type. Now I will count. That means we will come over to our question where I will count total even numbers and total odd number in our series. For this, I will initialize this variable by 0 at the starting because we need to increase them as we found this type of number. Again, I will start my for loop for I in range n, that is our limit, because up to the limit we have to search in our series. Here everyone knows that if you divide any number by 2, so if the number is even number, then the remainder will be 0, right? So here I will find out the remainder. This modular operator helps us to find out the remainder. So if the number has divided by 0 and the divided by 2 and remainder is 0, that means the number is even number. So here I will check if the remainder is 0, then I will increase my value of even variable. This line even plus equals to 1 means even is equals to even plus 1. Next we will use else. Here also, suppose else works when if condition is false, right? If condition is true, then if part will run, and if condition is false, then else part will run. So here I will increase the value of our odd variable. Next we will print both the result, that means total number of even number and total odd numbers. So first even number I will print. Wait 1 minute. Yes, here I will print total even number. Even is my variable which will print the total even number variable, and next I will print the odd number. Odd is my variable which will print the value of total odd numbers. Very good. Yes, our program is ready now. Now let's run our program and see how it will give the result. Suppose I want 5 elements in my list. 5 is my limit. 5 numbers I will add to the list, and then I will calculate total number of odd and total number of even numbers. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So you can see here I have entered total 5 numbers and 3 even numbers are there. That means 2, 4 and 8. 2, 4 and 8 total 3 even numbers, and 5 and 7 2 odd numbers are there. So this is how you can calculate total even and odd number in a specific list. I hope you have understood the particular program and many concepts like list, what is a list, and what is the append function. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much.